Anyways, I got a video for you guys who love cars and love those car videos. It's not on my Camaro, but it's from my older car I have, and it's this. This is called oxidation, and I think this side's worse, or it doesn't matter. They're both the same. Anyways, yeah, this happens from the sun. And especially on older cars, because over the years, you know, this one's a 2006. So yeah, over the time, the sun's gonna do that. Maybe you guys know. But I'm gonna do a video how to fix that. And you probably heard too that you can use toothpaste. And that's actually what I did the first time, and it went away. I'm gonna tell you something. It went away, but look at this. And this has been like this for a while now. It actually has been like this. The toothpaste only lasted probably like a good 2 months. I don't know, you guys can always keep redoing it, but for me, I'm gonna do it permanent, get rid of it. So I heard of this. I'm gonna show you right here. I got it in my backpack. So I'm gonna show you what I got. This is actually for the paint, but I've heard you can use it for your headlight restore, which I guess is a review. I'm gonna show you this compound. This, we're gonna see if this works. See, this is supposed to be for your paint. You see before and after. It takes like a very, very thin layer to the outer paint, to get that gloss from the actual real paint under. So that's why this makes it really, see oxidation. Oh, this might work. Yeah, see blemishes, water spots, scratches. So basically I'll show you this, but I'm not gonna do it to this car, because to be honest, I'm getting rid of this car. I'm selling it. That's why I'm doing this too. So you see all of this, and you see how it's kind of like it's not glossy, you know, compared to this. I don't know, I've seen all the Ultimas have this for this particular model. See all this? You see that? I feel like this would be perfect for that. You use this, that's gonna be the magic. And then you got the polish. The polish, that's what shines it. Then to protect it, got the wax, so the sun won't do that. And that's what I'm gonna do for the headlights only, not the paint, because it's too much. I'm not gonna do the whole car. This stuff's expensive. I'm not gonna use it up all. But anyways, I'm gonna use the compound for the video's sake. For the headlights, I'm gonna do this compound and wax, and maybe the polish too. But the wax to protect this so this doesn't happen again, because I don't know, in some headlights, like on my Camaro headlights, my Camaro headlights have clear coat, and you can see it peeling. That's why I don't like clear coat. And for this one, we're not gonna sand because of that. But my Camaro, I actually do have to sand. But you see right here, I got some pads I'm gonna use. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. Rub it, all that, put it in, and I'm gonna wax it. A lot of people clear coat it. I'm not gonna clear coat because of the reason I just said. They start peeling over time, and the wax is the same thing. It just protects your paint from the sun damage, from a lot of stuff, you know. So I'm gonna put this on the headlights. So I'm gonna set my camera down. Oh my gosh, you see this? Look at this. Look at that. So you already know this works, and I didn't actually expect that. It worked way better and faster than toothpaste. Sorry, I don't know why. Couldn't pronounce it. Look at the difference. Look at this. And then look at that. And we're not even done. So, yeah, never mind. This stuff works. So, I recommend it. And that's just the headlight. Imagine the paint. See what I'm saying? So now you guys know. You guys know the secret. It's call it a dye. Cheap. You don't have to, don't spend no money. Don't pay nobody. Just do it yourself. Real easy, yo, bro. That was like 10 bucks. It's like 10 bucks. And if you want, you can do the whole car if your paint's bad. I'm not saying it's gonna be like, I don't know. I haven't done the whole car, so don't you know, don't mark my words or anything. But look at the headlights. I can guarantee you they'll look like that if you just try it. I'm actually really happy with that. We're gonna do the polish. This one. We're gonna see how this goes, and then we're gonna wax it. See if it makes a difference. It's already good, but you know, let's always strive for the best. Let's always strive for the best, right? When you go to the gym, right? You push yourself. You're like, you know, I did 10 reps, but you know, you go more. I go more. It's just like the gym, man. It's a workout. My arm was tired, but you know, I want more, man. I want to get stronger. I'm just kidding. I'm just playing around, guys. I'm just bored. I'm by myself out here. It's like 8 in the morning or 9, I think. Oh my god! I don't know. I don't have my phone on me. I just have this GoPro, and I'm chilling with you guys. You guys are chilling with me. We're having fun. We're creating content. Let me set this up right here. Nobody do it. Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna wash all this place? Huh? Who's gonna scrub all those pants? Ali? My dad? Mama? Alyssa? My brother? Little smudges somewhere. Alright, so that's the polish now. That's the polish. Oh gosh, man, get those smudges off. Get those smudges off. Alright. Alright. Now we talking now. We talking, man. We talking money, bro. I'm gonna get my money from this car, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get my money. Alright. Look at that. Now, which one you want? You want to buy a car with looking like that?
Nope.
Or looking like this?
Do me a favor, please.
Which one? Shoot, and we ain't even done yet. What did I just say? We're not even done. Now that crop came out really good. Ah, man, look at it. Like, if you just look at it, like, just look. Let me just show you. Look at that. Look, can you see the lights? Yes. So now, boom, we're gonna wax. Clean, really good deep clean. Compound, that's what it's called. You got polish, obviously it's a polish, it's that shine, you know what I mean? Look, shout out to the Camaro gang, you know what I mean? If you don't see it. So you got the polish, and then now, UV lights. This is basically what it means. Bro, there's freaking hair in there. Dang, they made these and they put hairs in here. Sure, you better wear your hair in that. Who be making these? Nasty. Don't grab a little bit. Just grab a little bit. Same thing, we're all rubbing. All these were rubbing in circles like this, you know what I mean? I want to redo this all the time, so we're gonna have to wax this, protect it. This is a whole dye tutorial for you guys, and I ain't even charging. I'm already like charging, man. Hey, let me know too what kind of videos you guys want. I know I'll be making random videos sometimes. I got my car builds, I got car stuff. I got me and Jenny doing fun stuff sometimes. But eventually I want to get to some pranks. Do some good pranks on her. Yeah, boy. Do some good pranks. What else I got? Music.
Baby, I'm scared to lose you. I don't wanna lose you. Do anything for you.
I wanted to get into that more, but wait until I get my setup. I just bought a MacBook. I need a microphone. I'm busy in LA, you know what I mean? I'm gonna make time for everything. That's what I do. I wake up, I want to get creative, I want to share something. That's how I am. My days off. Technically, I don't have a day off. This is my day off. Working on stuff that I enjoy. It's the best feeling, man. Alright, so this is wax now. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now this is the full finished product right here. There you go. And that's gonna last probably a long time. Look at the difference. So compound, polish, and wax. Sorry the glare, that's not, oh, that's the sun, but you can still see it's really good. Look at that. Look at this. This is horrible. Okay. Look at the difference. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I'll just post the end how it looks with both of them clean, but that's pretty much it. It's real easy. I don't even know how long this video is. It's like, I don't think it took more than 30 minutes to do this. I got all this stuff yesterday, just 3 things. But you know, get some pads too actually. But those are like $1, you know what I mean? Real cheap, you don't gotta pay anybody, doing a little dyeing yourself, you know what I mean? Why spend $100 for all this stuff? You know? Just appreciate that. Okay, let's just look, admire that for a minute, you know what I mean? Just take a good look, like screenshot it or something, like show your friends, be like, hey, look it, hey, share this video, bro, like it, subscribe. Got content coming every day, bro. If you guys haven't noticed, this year I've been posting more. If you haven't too, follow our TikTok. We got a TikTok. I just rechanged. It's our channel now officially. I mean, I post more, but you know, it's Jenny and Adrian. Literally, type that in, you'll find it. Real easy. Just follow that channel. We got stuff coming soon, man. We got funny stuff. Once Jenny wants to stop being lazy and hop on this TikTok trend, we got some stuff. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Ignore that. I hope Jenny don't get mad. Thank you guys for watching, taking the time, you know, watch this. Really appreciate it. It's a good, helpful video if you guys watched it through. You know, you guys, it's real easy to do. Like I said, it's just honestly up to you how people feel. Some people don't like doing it themselves. Like, it's really easy, honestly. I just made a whole tutorial how to do it. That's it. I hope you guys have a good day.